Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna create a Python file that can read website files, HTML files, website files, and can kind of scrap data from the website. So this script is gonna be on Python. So I'm gonna use Python I'm gonna scrap Python data. So let's go ahead, create a new file, and we got it web.py, and we're gonna open it. Oh, sorry, I should open it with a Visual Studio Code, and let's go ahead. Before that, we need to install pip install requests beautiful soap 4. So we need this library to get data. Beautiful soap, it's known as BS4. Actually, they know it as BS4, so I had it in my system, so it doesn't need to install it again. So let's go. First, import requests, and then from BS4 I need beautiful soap. So I think okay. Let's just check spelling here. Okay, that's great. I create a variable here, URL, so I'm gonna use the Python website and another one, HTML equals to requests dot get URL dot content that reads the data of the Python website content, that reads the content of Python website, sorry. And let's go. First we should parse the data, and we create another variable, parsed equals to let me just copy that, sometimes I use it wrong. So beautiful soap and HTML that we added here, and we need HTML.parser. So in this section we need to choose a tag to read, say parsed dot find underline all. It should be tag name and the class with underline, actually. Oh, sorry, one equal. Okay, that's correct. Not correct, it should be equal here, and we're gonna do it in for post in posts, and then we're gonna print, oh sorry again, then we're gonna print post dot text, and as always to execute the program to see the output, I'm gonna put the input here, press any key to exit. Okay, so I need a tag here and class name, so move to Python. So maybe these items are good because kind of, I think, easy to read. Move backward. Yes, they're really easy to read, and there are a lot, actually, I think. Yeah. So my tag name, my tag is A, and the class name is tag. So let's save it and run it. Something is not correct here, just let me check. URL.content, HTML.parser, HTML, beautiful soap. Oh, sorry, BS4. This is with small. Yeah, let me check this one too. Yeah, beautiful soap should be small case here. I think it's working now. Yeah, there's no error. Let's run it. Again, we have error. So what's the error here? For post in post.txt, and the site is python.org. That's correct. Beautiful soap is not defined. Let me run it from here. Invalid syntax. Yeah, import BS4 from BS4 imports, actually. Beautiful software right now. I recognize why I'm getting error from here. So now it should works. Let's start it with Python. Why it's always closing? Show me something here. Okay, can I import beautiful soap from BS4? Okay, let me check the installation. Maybe it's not install. Already satisfied. Okay, that's okay. And everything is correct here. Beautiful soap is not defined. Oh, that was correct, actually. The name was correct. We didn't set import, sorry for this one. This name actually is kind of I think incorrect syntax. It should be working now. So please, let's start it again. Open with Python. Yeah, that's worked. Django and other items. So let's get back here. Here you see in Django and other. So let's let's check something else here. So time class say no more. Okay, let's check this one. Open with Visual Studio. So the tag was span and class name was say no more. So let's just start it here. Yeah, it's absolutely working to 24. So let's check something else too. The A tag doesn't have any class. So let's check. No, I don't think so. Maybe with href we can do that. So come down and tag is A. Oh wait, no, I don't think so. I can get this one. Okay, let's check something else here. Maybe these items, footer links. Yes, tar element 2 li. No, it's inner element. Let's check here, like a tag listing view. And I'm gonna go for this URL. So let me clear output. Was the tag was this one? Yes. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's working. So this some website like Python doesn't have CDN, or CDN is not blocking the website, so you can easily get the data from the website. But there are websites like, I don't know, Google, Instagram, and other websites. They have CDN, and you should create a wait for loading websites. So I'm gonna do that in another video, but this one is working on sites without any CDN or any type of blocking request. So you can do it with every website that you want. You can check it and check what you will get here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will have the CDN type video of this scrapper in another video. Thank you so much.